Yo guys, welcome back to JR14. Here I am with another video for you guys with Project Mark 7. Now, as you guys know, I am tuned with 5150, and I gave you a little hint of what I'm doing in the future, which is gonna entail me to Datalog this car with my Cobb access port. Oh, shout out to Slow Speed over there. Oh, why are you hiding? Why you hiding? Yo, hang on a minute. Yo, shout out to Slow Speed, man. Yo, if you want to see some ill F30 BMW
I have
content.
F32, by the way.
Oh, I'm sorry. He got the coupe. He got the coupe. My bad. If you want to see some good F32, F30 content.
Oh my God.
If you like the 4 Series or the 335 platform, the 340,
Tell
all
Jay
the numbers.
This
is the BMW
to race
Master.
me. So tell JR14 to race me.
Oh no, we're not doing that,
When
brother.
you get
We're not
big turbo,
We're not
they race
doing that, bro.
Come on, you have big turbo. Come on.
No, we're not doing that.
Why
And
not?
no, I don't have a big turbo. So, all right, so Slow Speed's gonna take a ride with me. You know, he has a boosted BMW too. You know, he makes that high boost. So what I'm here to teach you guys today is pretty much just a quick video of why do we Datalog. So without further ado, guys, let's jump in the car. First of all, it's 20 degrees out here. Let's get some heat in that engine. Let's go. Got that 37 degrees. All right, guys, we found our location where we're going to do our data logs. Before we get started, I just wanted to explain why am I doing this. Jay, why are you doing your data loggings? I'm doing data logging right now. Obviously, I told you guys in the last video. I'm not going to say what. If you want to see what I said in regards of that, click in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. But in order for me to get started with the car, what I'm doing for it this year, I have to do data logs. But data logs can be a lot of different things. Like, let's say if you're having a misfire, or not even a misfire, like something's just wrong with the car that you don't know. If you're tuned, like let's say with the Cobb access port, you can do a couple data logs, save them, send it to your tuner, and your tuner can figure out, like, okay, it's a valve issue. It seems like, okay, you're not getting, it's pulling way too much timing, or oh, it's something to do with fueling. You know, so there's different parameters of the car that the access port measures, especially when either during the tune or while you're data logging. So this way it's just good over time just to keep sending data logs to your tuner if they provide that service, just to make sure your car is running in tip-top shape. So what I'm going to do now, obviously I'm going to go ahead and plug up the access port to the car. If I can find this wire real quick. Here we go. As you guys know, I have the Arrow Force boost gauge plugged in there currently. I'm gonna unplug that. I'm gonna plug this guy in its place. Perfect. All right. My gauges are here and everything else. So what you want to do is you want to go to gauges. So right now I'm looking at AFRs, air fuel ratio, coolant temperature, engine temp, exhaust gas pressure, IATs, and boost pressure. So obviously in our other car, you know, obviously you see these parameters change. So in all of you to start data logging, all I'm going to do is I'm going to start at 20. I'm going to be in third gear. That's why you need to find a good stretch of road. This is the only way you can do it, unless if you have a lot of money to spend for a dyno day, which I don't. So another way you data log is drive the car, put it in third gear, just have the RPMs around 22,000 to 2,500 RPMs, click the center button, and then drive all the way out through third gear until you get to red line. Once you're done with red line, click the button again. That saves the data log. It saves the data log on your access port, and what you can do is you can send it, and it's actually a Excel spreadsheet. You just email that over to your tuner. The tuner knows what to look for, so then all you have to do is just send it to him. He changes some numbers around, creates a tune out of it, and then also emails you a file back. You upload the tune to your access port, and then you continuously do tunes back and forth. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and drive now. And we're just checking everything is up to temp, so we're good on that. We're not gonna drive the car hard with cold temperatures in regards of oil or coolant. So we're good to go. So without further ado, guys, let's hit the road and let's do these data logs. So guys, when you're doing this, you don't want to be on a bumpy road, because obviously wheel hop and inconsistency with the car being on the road and putting the power on the road. So if you have a road that's bumpy and your wheels are skipping, it's going to show that effect on the data log, and it's not going to be an accurate reading. So you want to make sure the road that you find is as smooth as possible. So we're going to drive for a little bit. I know a road all the way up here that's extremely very smooth and very good to drive on. So like, for instance, you hear those bumps right now, not really a good road to be on. It's like, you know, all these bumps in the road, not really worthy. Oh my God, these roads are terrible. We just passed the border. Yep. Oh, we just made it to Mexico, people. Usually cops be sitting there. I don't know what he was doing. He looks sus. What are you doing in that dark parking lot by yourself?
He's not by himself. I doubt he is. Yo, this looks like a 1320 video.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go to third gear. All right. Turn traction control off. Cool. And then
So you hold it full traction off.
Full traction off.
Okay.
It's gonna spin like crazy.
Yeah, you'll be all right.
All right.
I don't think I'm gonna spin third gear. You shouldn't spin.
Oh, I forgot I'm in third. Okay, so all right, so now I'm gonna hit it in 3, 2, 1. Pretty good.
Oh yeah.
So did the first data log now. I'm gonna do one more. But he coming up hella fast behind us. You kidding me? Look how fast he's coming up.
Maybe he's on the Datalog too. Oh, yeah, he's coming pretty damn quick. Just slow down to like 30 and see if he blows by. If he blows by you at 30, you're good. Trust me, he would have threw his lights on by now. That's an older car. That's like an older pickup truck or something. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
That scared the crap out of me because he came from the woodwork. That's a
Oh,
cop
shit, that's
too.
a cop.
Oh my God.
You'll be all right. You'll be all right.
Now we're gonna do 2 more, but with the pops and bangs on. Now the reason why I'm doing that is because of the fact of that the pops and bangs pull timing. So obviously my tuner wants to check out the timing and see if everything's okay. So we're gonna go.
He just wants to send a flame out of the bitch, probably.
We're gonna go into sport, and the way that you know, put in neutral real quick. So we're all right. So the car's gonna feel very different now. So all right, as far as like how aggressive it pulls. So we're gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. That was a bad data log.
Yeah,
So
you spun over there. You spun over the.
3, 2, 1. Jesus Christ. Alright.
The way that cop is nowhere to be found, though.
He's gone.
Yo, that dude is out. Yo.
2, 1. This car is solid, bro. Alright guys, so we did our data logs. I'm gonna go ahead and send them to the tuner now. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to the content. And also, if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell next to it so you can get post notifications on videos that I put out just like this one. I hope you guys have a good one, and remember, cars are a lifestyle.